Hi, boys and girls. This is your old pal, Uncle Al. Yeah, from Diebulfrog79. Hi, I'm Dino. There you go, Ontario Prepper. Now, you have to learn to cook, kids. This is about canned juices. Now, before we get to that subject, I want to let you see my lunch. Okay, it's goat meat and mushrooms in a dark gravy over mashed potato on a buttery, crispy mini waffle. That's mashed potato in the middle, goat mushrooms in a rich brown gravy wine sauce, thick. And then on the bottom is a mini waffle, 4-inch, buttery crisp. Gotta learn how to cook, kids. You don't want to be eating canned stuff all the time out there. And a lot of you don't know how to cook. True. So if you can, for a price of a soft drink, donate anywhere $1 or $2, $5 to my PayPal account, which is right down there below. Help old Uncle Alan out because I'm getting old and I'm getting tired. Okay, this one is about, let's see on my notes, canned juices. Now, you could do canned juices either in a bottle or in cans. They only last about 6 months, but it's a good provision to have in your food stored next to your canned goods. Now, I would buy them as a last purchase item before the FTSH. But you also, for if you're on a boat or RV, I will get canned goods. Okay, for 2 reasons. If you've ever been on a small boat, not a ship, a boat, okay, anything under 35 feet, you don't want glass. It's like living in a washing machine, okay? Has to be a tin or a canned product. Now, before we go, I don't have a big can, and I'm not going to buy one because it's end of the month and I gotta really tight on the budget. But a big can of pineapple juice, tomato juice, fruit cocktail. Yes, they have plastic bottles now. But the trouble with the limitation factor of plastic bottles, they don't last forever and they don't store well and they don't travel well. Okay, that's why you see a lot of military units have canned orange juice, canned pineapple. It's mostly a canned pineapple juice and canned tomato juice. Why? It's a quick influx of nutrients, vitamins, and electrolytes. They did do Gatorade for a while, but they found out that it did resupply to the blood levels. It did screw up the hell out of the digestive system. Now, Uncle Alan took 2 semesters of food science, so he knows all about this weird stuff. So if you're eating MRE, make sure you have a little can of prune juice or tomato juice or whatever, a fruit cocktail, or it's basically a juice. Okay? They come in these little cans for every, whatchamacallit, can't think of the word, for every MRE, have one of these. Okay? This is a small can, fairly lightweight. I forget how many ounces. This is 5.5 fluid ounces. This will aid your digestion. Okay? If you're eating breakfast, lunch, and dinner, a whole bunch of MREs, you want 3 of them. Now, when I was in the field, I told them they could eat cod liver oil, a tablespoon a week, or they could have 1 or 2 of these with their MRE meals. After a while, a lot of my squad members prefer one of these. Trust me, cod liver oil once a week, you'll find out. Because a lot of people, their digestive system won't take it, but it's good for your lower GI tract. Excuse me. This is also for mother in the well. Why canned juices? Well, you have kids. Now we have like currants. Currants come in guava. I got strawberry banana. These don't last long. These contain 12% juices and about 190 calories. Okay, if you're not feeling good or you can't chew food, this will help. Put a little protein powder in it, and it's a complete meal. This is why I always push canned juices. This is found in the juice aisle. There's another one, but I'm up to here with guava juice. Guava, kiki, coconut, but you can find them in this size cans, okay? And that'd be a good addition to your pantry. I keep a few next to ensure, because those are my two things after a person has severe diarrhea, vomiting, and vomiting. Uncle Al tends to cough his head off. Let me take off the hat. I'm tired. Okay, I'm going to keep this short. I'm going to do my shout out list really quick. You know, lost it. Always never fail. First one, let's give a big shout out to West Wind Survival. Yay! And we're doing canned foods and other things. Bethany Myers, our little gamer friend, my favorite little gamer. Harshman Hills, I'm in, and this is a shout out. Harshman Hills, if you can see this. Okay, I'll do another video just to make sure. DYI Solar and Homesteading, Killdeer Survival, Savage Survival, Jack Pine Survival. Let's send all our prayers to Savage Survival for his dad. Step 1 Survival with BA and Sippy Cup, Full Spectrum Survival, AK Foraging and Adventures, The Land of Land and Land, Chris and Leslie, LS, Daisy, Diane SFG. Okay, this is another reason why I'm doing canned juices. Kentucky Survival, Michael Science, Jeff Nolte. Jeff, you want to get a couple 6-packs of these, of juices. Okay, because really, if you need to stabilize your gut after diarrhea, vomiting, stomach cramps, sickness, whatever, this is a good start next to soup. You get tired of soup. Also get constipated too. And again, if you're doing Farmall Fanatic, the MREs, one MRE, one can of these, or one big can. Unless you like taking cod liver oil every week. Okay. And let's see, Hubble's Cat. Again, this is vegan. Now, where is it? Vegan tomato juice. Okay, you can find that in the vegan section, which is helpful. Reverend Christine, Myra TCK, 3D Tripper, Dash Out, also Inside Freedom, Watch Your Back, Democrats are at it again. Armadillo Junction, Grizzly Taco, Pepperdale, Mad Dog Survival. You got less than a month before Brexit occur, so you better stock up on these little cans of juice. You don't want to know what they got as emergency supply. Okay, and that's about it. For the books, we're going to finish off. Like always, all you lady preppers, Survival Mom, please pick up a copy. I like this from Outdoor Life. Survive anything. I prefer this over. I found it again. Recipes for Survival. This one's a big ripoff, but I like it. And I got this version. I used to have the big tabletop one in large print. And so, anyway, folks, that's it for tonight, folks. This is Dean Dinosaur. So remember, canned juice, okay? Bottles or cans. Cans are better for traveling. Bottles You could use that in your regular pantry if you're booking in. I do not advise it if you're traveling, RVing, or boating. Okay, so I put that back, and I'm going to try to do 4 videos today as best as I can. I'll catch you later, kids. This is your old pal, Cloud. Bye. Oh, don't forget, like and subscribe down below. Now, if you want to donate money, there's my PayPal account down there. If you can spare $5, that's fine. Catch you later, kids.